Hello friends, my name is Holly. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be transforming our holiday decor, what we were calling Thanksgiving decor, into our Christmas decor. So I'm going to pull out our festive ornaments for our tree. We just did a neutral tree because we hosted Thanksgiving. And now I'm going to put our sentimental ornaments on the tree. And I actually did this right after we got through hosting. Our home was basically decorated before Thanksgiving. I've still been tweaking a few things here and there this week, but I'm just now able to share it with y'all because we had a fun home tour that a lot of y'all loved, and I have lots of home tours planning on coming soon to my channel. So I don't know if we'll be doing a ton of decorate with me's. I think I'm going to be sharing my home tour pretty soon, so we're going to be changing some stuff up here. But y'all let me know in the comments down below, do y'all like seeing me do it this way, how we did it this way this year, with just showing glimpses of little things that we were doing here and there throughout the week and decorating and shopping? Or do you like seeing the individual room by room decorate with me's better? But this way you get more home tours of other people's homes. So let me know which way that you like it so I'll know which way to continue to do this throughout the years. So I want to take a minute and thank today's video sponsor, which is RENPHO. I was so excited whenever RENPHO reached out to me and asked if I wanted to collaborate with them and try some of their heated products. So the one that I think I was most excited for, because I personally have never seen anything like this, is this wearable heating pad. So this one actually wraps around your shoulders and your neck, and it goes all the way down your back. And let me tell y'all, I have been using this so much this season already. It has been so cold outside, and I will say that we had family over last Saturday and I put this on and they were like jealous of it. We were having to pass it around and they wanted to take turns with it. Drew loves it too. It also has this little tie where you could tie it around you. It also says that it warms up in 5 seconds. It has 6 heat levels and 3 timer options. And it's especially been great for this time of year with all the decorating that I've been doing and on my feet. And like I said, it's been so cold, and so whenever I get to just chill out for the afternoon or the evening and put that on as I'm putting together a puzzle or watching one of my favorite friends on YouTube decorate their homes for Christmas, it's just been so nice. But not only did they send over that sweet gift, they also sent over the Eyeris Zen Eye Massager. And if you're like me, I get headaches pretty regular. And so having this heated eye mask is going to be so wonderful. So it has 3 heat levels, 3 massage modes, 2 pressure levels, a 15-minute timer, and then you can also play music, and it has wireless connectivity. Honestly, I think that these would make the perfect Christmas gift. I mean, who doesn't want a massaging heated eye mask or a full body neck and lower back heating pad that you can wear around? It would be great for the holiday season, but also in January when it gets really cold. And I just love good heating products. So like I said, the heating pad has different time settings, so it will shut off automatically like if you fall asleep with it. And it also has the different heat settings. I love how it clips around your neck. It almost looks like you have a cape on, and then you tie it around you, and so it's able to really press up against your back. And I love putting a puzzle together with this heating pad on. I just feel like it is just such the coziest thing to do this time of year. And then also we got a new Christmas devotional, and we've been doing that, and it's been really nice to have the heating pad on while doing that as well. And then Drew and I both tried out the massaging eye mask, and we love it too. Again, just heat anything, sign us up for. So Drew was excited to try out all the new products as well. I can honestly say that I have so enjoyed using these, and Drew has too, every night since we have got them in, and we just love them. So I'm going to share with y'all in this next clip the different settings on how you use the eye mask, and it is so easy. Again, we have been having some really cold days and nights, and so having these heating products have just been a game changer around our home, especially around the holidays whenever we have been so busy. They have been the perfect gifts to help us wind down at night. So thank you again, RENPHO, for sponsoring today's video, and I will be sure to link these products down below. So Drew just picked up our Walmart pictures. We did that one. And then lots of Christmas pictures from a few years past. One with our Maddie girl. The new ones that we had made this year, last year's. And I'm gonna put them all over our home, so I'll show y'all where I put them. Polish this up today, but I have this. I've had it for a few years now, never used it, but I wanted to display our Christmas cards. Kayla's is the first one that I got so far. This is ours from this year. I think it turned out so cute, and on the back it has this picture, and then these are from a few years ago, or last year and the year before. I will take these down as we keep gathering some from the family, but I just wanted to put those on there. I wish I could send all of you a Christmas card, but if I could, here is what it would look like. So here's my Christmas card to you. Have yourself a merry little Christmas, the Miners. And then again, the back. And then Kaysen's name is on the nice list. It was so sweet. This was the sweetest Santa.
I'm so proud of you. You are a champion. Yes, you are.
I went ahead and shined this up real quick. I don't know if you could tell the difference. Oh, it looks so much better. But I did want to show y'all that I got this at the thrift store for $1.99 years ago. I don't even know if I've ever used it. I think it's gonna be so cute for our Christmas cards. I just hope that I have enough places to put Christmas cards because we usually get a lot of them. We are getting ready to go out with our families. We're gonna go to Bass Pro Shop and do pictures with Santa with all of my family. It's a little yearly tradition that we do. So I put myself together, but I wanted to share with y'all. I'm waiting on Drew to get home, and then we're all gonna head out, and we're gonna do a little bit of Christmas shopping afterwards. But I have a fun little haul that I've been dying to share with y'all. If y'all follow me over on Instagram, y'all have already seen, and y'all know that my mother-in-law went to New York, which I would love to go to New York. Let me know if you've ever been before. Maybe you live in New York. I hate flying. And then also, I'm not a big city girl. I am very cautious of my surroundings, and so I just like the small town life, beach life, very safe family locations. So let me know. She went and she loved it, but my mother-in-law is not scared of anything. But she went, and there is a Ralph's Coffee there, and I have always wanted to go to a Ralph's Coffee. The closest one, I think, to us, is in North Carolina. And then she loved New York so much, it really has me wanting to go, but I don't know. So y'all let me know in the comments down below. But she knows how much that I love Ralph's Coffee, and so she got us some goodies, and then also she got us some ornaments, which I will share with y'all these on the tree. I already put them on there. But she got us a couple of little ornaments from, I've never even actually heard of this toy store, but apparently it's a very popular toy store, and I've never heard of it. FAO Swartz or something. Anyway, so got that. She also got this, I believe, from that toy store for Kaysen. And it is so cute. The doors open up. I love this little taxi. She went with one of her cousins. That's one of her best friends, and her cousin's from Kentucky. So they met up, and then they went to New York together, and they just had a ball. We just loved seeing New York through their eyes that week. It was like They went like the week before Thanksgiving. Anyway, she brought home their latte cups, which I was thrilled about this. And then she also brought home the coffee mugs. And they had the lids in here too somewhere. So those were little freebies, but I was excited about that. She brought home some napkins that they didn't use. I know most of y'all are gonna think this is silly, but I just love the little Ralphs. Y'all know they're like mascots, the teddy bear, and so there you go. She also brought me back a croissant, a chocolate croissant, because they went the day before they came home. So she actually brought me home a chocolate croissant, and I ate it, and it was delicious. It was basically just a chocolate croissant, but it was just fun to have from Ralph's. And then I'll show you these in a minute, but she got me the coffee cup and saucer, and then also the coffee mug. I also got this hat, and then she also grabbed this toboggan. So cute, and then it says Ralph Lauren on the back. Oh, and then she also got me an ornament. She got Addison one too. Addison's is the teddy bear ornament. I didn't know which one I wanted, the teddy bear or the coffee. So I set it on the coffee mug, and it is so cute. So let me show you the ornaments that she gave us real quick. Jason is playing with his trucks in there, but this is the ornament that she got me from Ralph's Coffee in New York. It's so pretty, I love it. And then she also got Kason this train, which is so precious. She also got me this Santa Claus from that same toy store, and he's holding a teddy bear that's dressed as a nutcracker. So appropriate, and I love having these on our tree. So thank you so much, Miss Althea, for thinking of us on your very fun girls trip. Also, I just forgot that I got this one. I never saw this one online. I was wanting a taller one, but they didn't have a taller one in store. It was Christmas theme, and I didn't really want anything Christmas theme that had the year on it. And so whenever she showed me that they had this one, she showed me pictures of the gift shop. I was like, this one, I love it so much. So this one is a little to-go travel mug. Also went to Carlo's Bakery, and they said it was so good and delicious there. And she brought us home some like pastries and cannolis from Cake Boss also. So that was really exciting too, because I used to watch Cake Boss all the time. I love watching those fun little baking, cooking shows. So here is the coffee mug and saucer. And I've already been drinking out of it a lot. And then my mug. I love these so much. Okay, ignore our room because we're still working on it. But these are those sheets that I got. I shared with y'all. Gosh, I've had them for a little while for our Christmas sheets, and I love them. I will link them down below. But then I found these at Target, but I had already washed these. But then I found these at Target, and they're so pretty and perfect, and they have in the blue. But the only thing is, we decorate our home mostly with brighter reds instead of the maroons, but also have this piece of art in here that I love. I know it's not like screaming Christmas, but we're just trying to do like the Christmas colors, and I just love red roses and like flowers still Christmas season. So that could be so pretty to stay there from now through February. So it would match these sheets very well. But I'm trying to decide which ones I like better. But I also feel like I need something else on our bed. It's not even really made up today. I just threw it together. I have this. This is not even staying there. It's just an extra blanket that I had. But I've been trying to work through this because it's not my favorite. Love the monogram pillows and that pillow. And our comforter. I will link it. I also got Case in this one too. And I got his in the navy trim. Ours is the tan. So I love it. I'm just trying to figure out the Christmas sheets. So let me know. I'm going to back up again. First, let me know what sheets that you like better. These or these. And then with whatever sheets you decide, what should I do? I feel like doing the bed is not something I'm that talented at. I always just do the sheets, a comforter, and then put a blanket at the end. So I want to make it look cozy, but just like hotel, luxury, simple, classic. So let me know your ideas. And we'll have that together before the home tour, which the home tour is coming up really soon. Again, thank you RENPHO for sponsoring today's video, and I will have them linked down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and come back for more home for the holidays. I love y'all so much. God bless, and I'll see you soon. Bye, friends.